Hi, welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. This is Boris. So we're going to continue HANNAH BARBERA month with another character, QUICKDRAW MCGRAW. By the way, if you don't know these characters, that's completely okay. I hope you'll follow just for the love of drawing and just for the really amazing character design. I mean, of course, now it seems very simple, but it's and he was not like a popular character or anything. So let me so I'm using the pen instead of the pencil, so I can directly try to draw the so usually, let's say his head will be somewhere here, okay? And so I know that the eye will be here, the other eye somewhere here. You can already establish that he's looking in that direction. For the nose, we have something like this that goes down under the eyes. It's pretty, the design is pretty, like, I don't know how to say this, like very sharp and squarish. I mean, compared to the Disney characters, even the Looney Tunes characters seem a little bit different. So I'm using one thing to draw another, right? Like, so for example, I'd use the eye to draw the nose, and then the eye to draw the ear, and once the ear is drawn, I know where the hat should cover over it, so like, yeah, it's like one thing leads to another, and you draw it that way. I am tired. I am recording this after my day job, so I apologize for that. But the I don't know, it gives me it's very selfish. Let's be honest. Like, this series of videos that I'm doing, it's very selfish, in the fact that it gives me a great feeling to sort of just thinking about these characters, and drawing a character is a great way to think about that character for a long time, because if someone tells you the name of a character, yeah, sure, you'll have like a flash of, or several flashes of images of that character, but then if you're drawing him,
you can really stop and pay attention, you know. So I won't. So the point is not to draw the whole character. I was just like letting my hand go, like, you know, without any specific plan to draw anything, and also because he is QUICKDRAW MCGRAW, it makes sense that we show him at this angle because that's where everything's happening. You know, if he if he tries to pull his gun, it will be shown from this angle. It's just more cinematic. So again, I don't know if this is the official version or like a fan. There's a signature. I don't know the artist who came up with this character, but it's just a really interesting character to draw. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm sort of changing the approach to these videos because you know, you might want to follow along, and that's the reason why I'm doing this in real time. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to cover any specific topic regarding drawing cartoon characters such as HANNAH BARBERA characters, like, let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, I mean, I hope
if you're still watching this, thank you for watching, and this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.